Perception Kayak's Expression 14.5 rewards aspiring paddlers with a small, sporty, and stable boat for afternoon and weekend adventures. The Expression 14.5 is ideal for smaller paddlers. A 15-foot version is also available for larger paddlers, while an Expression 11 targets recreational enthusiasts. The 14.5 measures 14.5 feet long and 23 inches wide. Perception's Zone Deluxe seating system offers plenty of adjustment for a wide variety of paddler preferences, including adjustable thigh braces and leg lifters for optimum comfort and control. The Expression's standard high backrest is supportive, but the height hinders rolling and rescues. Opt for the available low-profile backband if you're keen to progress these skills. Unlike many day touring kayaks at this price point, the Expression features a full complement of reflective perimeter lines for fast and effective rescues and re-entry. 2 bulkheads and bow and stern hatches let more ambitious paddlers tackle open water and overnight trips. The spring-loaded Scag is simple to use, but we found the Scag cord dangles in the water when not deployed. The Expression's soft chines, moderate rocker, and shallow V hull take their cues from classic British touring designs. With its wider beam and shorter waterline, the Expression's acceleration and glide are average for a boat this length. New paddlers will love this boat's rock-solid initial stability. Equally impressive secondary stability means aspiring paddlers can explore edging and bracing with confidence. The upswept bow provides a dry ride over waves and chop, while dropping the Scag improves tracking when paddling across the wind. For novice and intermediate paddlers looking to grow their skills, this day tour puts the only expression on your face that matters: a smile.